What's up, Virgo Nation? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm on my way to the studio, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I have some work to put in now for the studio. And you know, say, as I said, all the people are gonna say, where's song them there? Just be patient. Patience. Reverence. Just hold on. We have some beautiful music coming, Virgo Nation. I'm basically on my way to go link up my brother Nico now. Up I'm home studio. As you know, that is where I've been working since this whole coronavirus, even before. But you know, sometimes we'd go to other studios to do some recording, but because of everything, we kind of say, hey, we can keep it one place now. We have some things that we're working on, and we can't wait for you hear them. Oh my gosh, remember we've been working on a song together as well, so we have that forwarding. So you know, all the things. How you doing? How's your day going? How's your night going? How's your afternoon going? Wherever you are around the world. By the way, Virgo Nation, if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? It's free to subscribe to the Virgo Nation. All you need to do is click that little button down there and subscribe. And as we said that, blessing a fall down right now. It's raining. It is raining right now. You know, now say the car seats around there, so the babies are not in the car today. Just me and the car. I roll gas studio. Yeah, I forgot to take them out the last time we traveled in this car together. I am literally 2 minutes, no, or less, away from Nico. And I am here, Virgo Nation. Actually, that gate out with Nico let me in. We say thanks and praise to the Almighty. Yeah. Read safe. Yeah, so we're here at the world's #1 studio.
Wow. Oh my.
This is Lifeline Music for a Lifetime. Yeah. My brother Nico is here. Just let me know the place. Don't know, as you can see, it's first class equipment, first class. Even the doors are first class. Everything is first class here. And we are about to put in some work. This is actually the Hit Factory. And
first class AC now work though. Oh god.
First class AC now work?
There
you go. AC is working. And we're about to put in some work right now. Mr. Brownie, what are we doing today? Talk to me, my brother.
Well, we're gonna record a little thing.
Yes?
Yeah.
Seems like you don't even remember what we're doing today, Virgo Nation. But today we are gonna put in some work. You know, so they must say, oh, we're not seeing any song that talk about.
Man, we have to store up on silicon and choose. And, you know, we can just record and just dash out. So
and patience is a virtue.
Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. So know yourself. Just know yourself, when you hear something, it will be something.
It will be something.
You know, and rush nothing and give it. I know what style that.
Alright, thank you.
And I don't style that either. So
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Work is over for today.
For you.
For me. But Bob have some mixing to do. And some sending off to do. Yeah. Don't know, motion could have seen what going on, but I say go. Alright. Anytime we're leaving the world studio like this, you know, it's a sad feeling, but we'll be back. Who else still like this? Everybody at church and one go, you know. And as soon as church over, everybody find themselves at the church gate, stand up in our next group again. But a different reasoning. Well, that same thing reach me and Nico every time we go studio. It's like I say, yeah man, alright, look more. And then we just find something else. Something else to talk about. For next half an hour again before we leave. You know, some more while you know, Lisa called me and said, where you there, man? You know, say you left out now. I mean, I say, you know, sir. We have all the importance. And sometimes them think there. You can't call on the phone and talk about it, but it's just a vibe. Especially in a time like this. But this whole corona thing look like you want to take away the whole with joy. Oh gosh, I miss the good old days. Aren't you missing them, Virgo Nation? I know you are. But time will come again, eh? It will come again.
So guys, it's my day off. Rami just came back from the studio and I'm headed to the supermarket right now to get a few stuff that I ran out of. If somebody told me that this would be our life 2 years ago, I would have left them just gone. we play relay and tag team as parents in order to get other stuff done. So remain have studio, I have to stay with the girls. When they come, I have to head out and go get the few items that we need from the supermarket. And then when I go back now, he can get a little relief, or I'll have to be in the kitchen, one of the two. But we're making it work. If you had asked us if we would be able to manage juggling twins and everything else by ourselves, maybe we would have said no, we would have need help, but we make it work. Right now, we make it work. I'm hoping that I didn't miscalculate the time and that I'm not too late to get inside of the supermarket, because the curfew times, you know, so you have to know what you do when they come out to planning to go anywhere, because some of the places close like ahead of time to give the workers time to go and get their business done. Me, when I pulled up at the supermarket just now and realized it was closed. Guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to take a rain check on the supermarket run, because pull up at the supermarket and they are closed early today. Actually reach half an hour after them close, so it's not like I could get squeezed in. Man, these curfews. So now I have to try to get that done maybe one day after work this week. It's hard. It's hard to keep up with the curfew times and get stuff done as well within the time, knowing that we can't both be on the road at the same time. So I'm heading back home. Maybe I can check if another supermarket is open that I usually go if I can't get through at the one that I originally go to. So let's see if that one is open, and maybe I can stop by Olga as well and get some ripe bananas. Let's do that quickly. So moment of truth, is this supermarket closed as well? Granted, a big gate lock. I need to go home then. Everywhere is closed. Wow. Alright, let me just get the right banana from Olga and head home. You have Grace Michelle? You have no Grace Michelle banana? I never really plan to come that side here. A supermarket, I come out and I go, you know. Eh? Supermarket, I come out and I go and then realize it's locked. But I couldn't come out now earlier.
Then locked from
2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Alright, later. Yeah, alright. Rough, you know? It's rough. Rough. Alright, let's do this, guys. Let's go back home. After all, it's almost curfew time. Whether you got what you wanted on the road or not, head home. Hope one remain but I create an excitement for me. Gosh, Liz, where you really go on the road go do? I'm gonna say remain, I'm gonna drive out. But just make up excuse say I want to go supermarket. But I really did just want a break. You know, sound good.
I'm stressed out.
Anybody ever tell us you're unpredictable? Oh.
You?
No, I tell us you're predictable. Sometimes. I think so I come home and if you come here you laugh after me now.
Yeah.
So I go up on the road for no reason at all.
Oh. I don't study government time. Government give them time, we don't listen.
No man, I know say today 4 o'clock curfew. But I never know say supermarkets are closed like 2 hours before.
Oh gosh. I remember if you tell us that like normally they would have closed like if a 4 o'clock curfew, they would have closed before like by 2 hours.
Made I think like about 3.
So supermarket get knocked then?
Yep. So when I did when I go to work, I go to supermarket after. You rough enough?
Can't take off my mask still.
Curfew thing. The curfew thing rough.
Hey, them have his head locked up. The only place I go with the mask by mistake is your bed.
No, once I reach in, I'm in a secure space. So then I take up my mask Remain. I said, Liz, don't wear that one. I said, why? Him say, wear me the mask. Wear me which mask? My mask? How?
You know, see video them with the worm them come out there when the man put in the hot water.
No, I'm not watch. No man, them put worm in them one day. No, instead I'm gonna do the video.
All I'm saying is, just wear one mask, you don't have to wear 3.
I don't wear 3 masks. Don't tell no lie for me. More 3 masks?
Then 2 masks and a face shield.
A 2 masks I wear, but don't say I'm wearing 3 masks.
2 masks and a face shield is 3.
Face shield, I'm not really.
You just want you breathe it, you know?
I'm breathing, and you know that.
Sure?
Yes. What that for?
Your head's under 3 masks, but you're breathing fine.
Leo. So guys, I'm at work. I'm hoping for a good day. When I leave, I'm gonna try to catch a supermarket. Hopefully I do catch a supermarket today because today's another early curfew day. More than likely the supermarket is gonna close early again. I don't know about anybody else, but for someone with a schedule like mine, it is not working for me because Ramin and they are a tag team, so you know it's rough. It's not like on my days off I can be out and about because chances are he has stuff doing as well. And when I'm at work, he can't really be out and about. So I just hope we catch it. But you guys will be here to see. I just think about what if we never have backup supplies, especially for the babies. Like, what would I do? I respect rules and stuff, you know, but this, I wonder how long it'll last for, because something's gotta give, man.
So this is my official wake-up call, I guess. Yeah. Woo. How's the day going, Virgo? What? What? What are you saying? Good morning. Alright, what color should you wear today, girls? What color do you want to wear? Yes, I'm choosing something daily for the girls to wear can be a task, you see? Today is a beautiful day. I'm thinking you could wear something yellow. Yes? Alright, look at these cute little onesies. Sometimes I see them thinking I wonder what me used to wear when me a baby. You know, I have to call mommy and ask her. You like it? Do you like it? Not to eat, baby. Do you like it, baby? You want to try this? You want to wear this today? Oh my gosh. Alright, thank you. One of the worst things we can reach when you're changing is to realize in the midst of it that the wipe's done. Alright, which one should I choose? Grab this one. Huggies. This is how we do it. It's turning down. And so my 2 little birds are ready. Are you ready to go? Hmm? From changing to feeding. Ooh, you go, girl. Feed yourself. And just like that, feeding is over for now. Alright, so everybody belly full and nice I make. I think it's time for me to go and get a shower. What's going on? What's up? Hey. Hey baby. How are you? You okay? Going good? Oh, you drink coffee water? Good girl. What tells them? Do you want more water? I want you look sleepy right now. Do you want to sleep? Oh, what did I do? Oh no. All right.
Smile a while and give your face the rest. Raise your hand to the one you love the best. Then shake hands with those nearby and greet them with a grin. Work is over. I'm on my way home. I'm not gonna bother head to the supermarket because it wouldn't make sense based on the time that I left work. Supermarket closed already, so guess I'll try again tomorrow.
Virgo Nation, the wife is back and she's over there consuming. How was it at work today?
It was good.
That's it?
Yeah, it was good.
I'm being very industrious in the kitchen. I just helped my wife to, cut up some coconut. She just come eat out. What did I? You know what I mean? At least tell her. Yeah. Well, growing up, we used to. I'm not told you.
Because nobody else don't want you.
Anyways, when I grew up, we used to grate our coconut and then squeeze it. You know, remember like them part of my finger used to just rub off of some of them. See? Nowadays, a blender everybody I use. I mean, I feel like the old school way is the. Liz, do you want to try that one again?
What?
Like buy a grater the coconut and squeeze it.
Why am I do that when we can blend it? And strain it.
Just for the old school vibe, maybe we want the rice taste different. For the people
do you really want the rice taste different?
No. Well, I fool this is my talk. Because I always tell you something love when you cook rice and peas.
I'm not gonna know that I can blend it and strain it and grate it and squeeze it. No, sir.
No man, probably. Whoa, the internet from back.
No, it's been like that. But then when I click on it, it don't
Alright, try the cable. Come say me I make like the cricket game and the man them super over.
Wait, what? You were watching cricket?
Oh.
You tell me you don't sports?
No, I just stop watch football for now. I need a break.
Yes.
You come back?
Yes. So why Netflix not come up?
Yeah, probably doesn't need to cancel. Yeah, go to bin, go clear all. Oh my god. There's no use to technology now. Yeah. Let us tell Virgo Nation what's happening.
Yes. I forgot do most of the talking now because my coconut all about in my braces.
Tell us if you don't stop eating in our why? Anyways, Virgo Nation.
Gorgeous. You wanna date me, love me and marry me.
Yeah, you coconut drunk here. Anyways, so we have created an Instagram page for the Virgos family. When I typed in the Virgo family, it wasn't available. We tried. Why did you try, baby?
Virgo Nation.
we tried Virgo Nation, we tried the Virgo Nation, and none of those were available. So on this page, we will show things that aren't. So on this page.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna share updates that we probably wouldn't get a chance to share on YouTube. We're gonna share more.
Yeah.
So it's all about us and our interaction, Virgo Nation. So just go over to Instagram right now and show us some love.
We're gonna put the name right here. Right over his head. So as soon as you're done watching this vlog, you can go and follow us there because we're gonna be posting.
Oh, by the way, guys, this is our only other page.
Yeah,
our only other page.
Would you believe that people created the Virgos Instagram page before us?
Yeah, but that's not ours. So throwing it out there outside of Real Remain Virgo and itsy_Elizabeth.
Yeah.
This is our only other page, so we have 3 Instagram pages now. All right. So anything else, it's not us.
You look good now, girl. Jesus. Whoa.
Stop friending me up, babes.
Your eyes them, Lord.
Yeah, make me blush. Make sure you feel the blue pants, you know, because they might give me life right now. Oh man, braces make fit taking. You know what? I think maybe I should just cook the rice from now. Get it out of the way. Alright. I'm them weak. I don't have any kisses.
I agree.
Yeah, sing with me now. You think I'm gorgeous. You
Alright. See you, Virgo Nation. Thank you for watching this video. We love you all. See you in the next video.
Baby, you don't think I'm gorgeous?
You are gorgeous.
You don't want to date me?
I am dating you.
Love me and marry me.
Is that what
I'll pass. Unless I'm private, no, I'm marrying again. I don't want to spend so much money again.